Hello again. If you want to see more interesting video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Please feel free to leave us a comment. This is very important support for us. Thanks you. Melaleuca Dumplings. All the ingredients are the same as making dumplings. If you change the way to make dumplings, you can also taste different tastes and surprises. Prepare ingredients. Ground pork 400 grams. Cabbage 120 grams. Chinese chives 180 grams. Salt, pepper to taste. Nanami seasoning powder. 5 spice powder right amount. 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 24 dumpling wrappers. Step. First make the dumpling filling, add salt, pepper, wine, 5 spice powder, and nanami seasoning powder to the ground meat, and mix it clockwise to make it sticky. Then add cabbage and leeks, add some seasoning, add sesame oil, mix well, put it in the refrigerator and let stand for 30 minutes. Dumpling fillings are made in different homes, and can be made according to personal preference. Put a little more oil in the small saucepan. Place a layer of dumpling wrappers in order. The edge of the dumpling wrapper should be higher and close to the edge of the pot. Put a layer of dumpling filling and spread it out. Spread 4 more dumpling wrappers. Put another layer of dumpling stuffing, and then put 4 dumpling wrappers on it, and repeat it again. There are 3 layers. Spread some water on the dumpling wrappers on the bottom of the pot. Turn to low heat, cover, and fry for 10 minutes. After frying, turn it over with a plate and turn it over into the pan. Although it was a small fire, it was still a little too burnt. I think that when frying the first side, you can add about 30 cc of water to steam and fry. It should not be too burnt, and the cooked dumplings will be better. After turning over, add some oil and 50 cc of water or flour water. Cover and fry until the moisture is dry, about 5 to 6 minutes, and you can start the pan. Fry it out. The taste is different from boiled dumplings and fried dumplings. The crust is soft and delicious. It is also an alternative interpretation.